So hi guys, today we're going to be doing a service mode overview on this Hoover H-Wash 500 1400 spin 9 kg washing machine. First, make sure that there is nothing in the drum, and don't make the same mistake as I did, that it has the same kind of service mode as an industry, because it doesn't use the balance sensor. I put a towel in and it ended up completely destroying itself. So to get it in service mode, you need to put it on the cotton position, or just the position after the Wi-Fi. And then you hold delay end and the option button. Then you press all the buttons. And then you press start. So first it will be filling on the pre-wash section on the machine. Now it will be tumbling clockwise and filling in the main wash position. Now it will be filling in the softener and it will tumble anti-clockwise. Now it will do a pump out. And now it will start spinning, not to 1400, to about 1000 to 1100 spin. And now when it clicks, it's done. When it's done, all the lights will start flashing. Then you turn it on, off, turn it back on. Then you can select your language. I want to set it on English, so, and if you've selected it, you just press the start button. So it will give you the welcome sign, and that's how you successfully ended service mode and exited service mode. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. When your washing machine is connected to Wi-Fi, it will give you this message on the Home app that the service mode is complete and that your washing machine doesn't have faults.